before tamang lingkod, ha? May nag-exercise at first. So, hindi ko na ha? Sabot ako rin, sabot niya, ha? Pwede ka tayo, hindi ka sabot. Sabot tayo, everyone. Everyone, today. I mean last week. What our lesson last week? Last week. What our lesson last week, everyone? Yes, in English. What our lesson in English? What our lesson in English? What our lesson in English? It is. It is. Now, everyone, coming now. Now, what is now the name of this now? Everyone, try. It is A. So, give me some. Who can give me some example of? Now. Give me some example of now. Huh? Anyone? Anyone? Now, yes, pretty tiger. It is A. Animal. Oh, teacher Jimbo, yes, one of the. Sample of noun. Teacher Jimbo as well. Tiger and pineapple. Sheep. In a sentence, we can use the tiger is hungry. Diba? What's the noun there? Okay, very good. So, the tiger is the noun. How about this one? Okay, very good. And how about this one? How do you get the taste? Okay, very good. So, now, we have, everyone, answer me. Answer me. Okay, yes, adjective, and we have here the objective. No, adjective is objective. So, let me read for you that our objective is money. The adjective that we're able to describe the word. Define describing words. Identify objective that describe person, place, things, and animals. Use objective, correctly, and sentence. Now we have here, I am showing you some pictures. What is this? Yes, what can you describe? Yes, what did you see in the picture? It is? Yes, it is. Okay, how about the second picture? How do you describe this second picture? Another one. Okay, how can you describe this one? Okay, yes, very good. Yes, beautiful, good. Yes, very good. How about the third picture? Colorful, very good. Rainbow. Okay, so these are the sum of sentences that we can describe about those pictures. So for example, the house is big. So the second one is, the picture is, the farmer is hardworking. So how did the farmer describe? Here, the picture, hardworking, very good. How about the third one? The garden is organized. What is the garden? Organized, very good. Okay, how about this number 4? What's the colorful painting? So what is the painting? Colorful, very good. The painting there is colorful. So what can the big, yes, the big, hardworking, colorful, and organized. That is an example of adjective, very good. So now first, what is adjective? Okay, now we have a focus. So what is adjective? What is adjective? No, adjective is not the name of a person. Noun is the name of a person. Ang noun, what is the name of a person is another. However, adjective is the word that describes noun. For example, the noun there is, the noun there is, it is tiger. But the one that describes tiger, it is hungry. So therefore, the adjective there is hungry. Tama ba? Everyone? Everyone, answer me. So, like for example, adjective are the word that describes noun. So, ano mo sa noun ba? Everyone? Okay, ano mo sa noun? So, they tell, no, ang adjective is describing noun. So, ang noun describe niya ang noun. That is adjective. For example, they tell about color. So, the color is the adjective. So, red, on. What is the adjective there? Okay, red. And how about this? When they say size, we have tall, what is the adjective there? Okay, very good. And this one shape, we have round table. So, table is, so that is the adjective. Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to our activity. So, activity, describe me. Everyone, describe me. Instruction, describe the picture. For example, we have example, the dog barks loudly. So, what's the noun? Okay, so what's the adjective there? Where's the adjective there? Now, yes. So, how about adjective? Bark loudly, very good. So, in the picture, we have number 1. How can you describe the 1? Okay. Describe your answer, please. Okay, we have an example. The book is clean. So, the adjective na gamit is clean. Very good. So, another one. We have another one. The girl is beautiful. Very good. So, ang gamit niya ng adjective is? No, it is a sentence. What is the adjective here? Beautiful. Very good. So, the adjective na gamit is beautiful. How about this number 8? Number 8. This picture. Everyone, we have. So, paano go? Ano nila? Ha? Yes, okay. Very good. The road is 30. So, the adjective na gamit nila? 30. Very good. Ang gamit na adjective nila is 30. Okay, very good. This is good. How about the number 4? Ang group yung 4 dito na ha. How about this? Makita rin sa group 1 to. Asa nila? So, how can you describe this picture? Here. Asa man? Wala doon? Group 1 to? Ha? How about this group yung 4? Number 4. So, we can use here. So, we can describe this one here. listen, loud music. So, the object that I use here is loud music. Very good. Yung how about the number 5? Okay, very good. The dog is. Okay, very good. The dog is. The dog is good. What is the adjective you use here? Good. Okay, very good. Use good. Yes, sige na siya. So, I have an activity here. We have a group activity na kailangan ako o leader sa group 1, 2, 3, 4. Abangan nito ha. First, pamingaw ka. Yes, it's coming na. Dito sa here. Sige na, pamingaw ka. So, instruction first. Each group must answer the 10 sentences that provide by the teachers. And circle the adjectives ha. Pamingaw. Sagot ka na na. Pagkatong mo ha. Answerin ninyo tayo. Pinili ang adjectives. Pinili ang adjectives. Sige, tapos ka. Ay, kung abangin ka na. Everyone, tabangin ninyo ang inyong leader. Tabangin yung leader. Ay, makakot tayo. So, pinsa ha. Nakauna o. Asa. Ako na, sir. Tayo leader niya. So, ako. Tabangin ninyo. Adjective na ha. Hindi makaway. Everyone, isa lang ang adjective base ha? Isa lang ang adjective ha? Base sentence ha? Isa lang ang adjective base sentence. Hindi matali. Dapat tama sila. Okay, group A. Group A. Kami yung group number sa taas ha? Kami yung group number sa taas. Ikot na mic. Ikot na mic. Ikot na group A. Isa yung okay. Yes, after nasa ako na subject tayo. Remember, group 1 sa lima. Isa lang ang adjective ha? Okay, group 1. Yeah, hindi na answer sa first. Ang nakakari is, ang nakauna ha? Tama na answer. Tama na kung mali answer, diba? Tama ka? Okay, hindi mo tayo ha? Yes, isa lang ang answer. What? So now, bakit adjective? Ano yung adjective? Everyone, answer me. Ang group 3 o group 4 yung answer me. So what is adjective? Ano ang adjective? First? Second? So we have an example of adjective. Adjective is, everyone, adjective is describing now. So we have an example here. How about this one? She wear favorite, her favorite red dress. The adjective there is red dress. Okay, good. Sabot ha? So let's begin with this. How about this number 1? The house is big. What is adjective there? Big. Okay, very good. Number 2, the garden is colorful. Asa na adjective yan? Colorful. Very good. The mountains are far from the house. Asa ka na ang adjective? Far. At describe the house. Describe the lugar. Yes, describing the house ganit. Tama na ang house. So adjective is describing the house. Number 4, the painting is colorful. Asa ka na ang adjective? Okay, very good. Number 5, the hardworking farmer plants the rice. Asa na ang adjective? Hardworking. Very good. So now, ano ang adjective? So, magtawag ko mga kadilante. Para ako answer nila. Instruction. Right? 2 adjectives. Number 1, number 1 ha? 2 adjective ha? No, hindi ka sa sentence ha? Adjective lang. For example, answer review. And dog is cute. Or tall. Ha? Okay. How about number 2? Isa ko answer. 2 adjective lang. Number 2. Oh, come here. Yes. Number 2. Number 8. Okay, very good. How about number 4? Dito tayo number 4. Ang bukang ito. Malaki ang answer niya. Number 4. Tuwa dito ka ha? How about number 5? Dito tayo commander. Ikaw, Mike. Wait. Big guy. Okay, very good. Napakalawa ang mga kapit niyo, eh? Napakalawa ang kapit na participate. So, tama kayo ang answers? Okay, tama yung answers. Yes. So now we have an assignment. So Abby answer this. Abby is answer this at home. Yan ang assignment. Yan ang assignment. Right. Hindi naman tama. Kaya tayo. Kaya tayo. Kaya tayo.